What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and today, as you can already tell, we're gonna be watching some insurance scammers who got caught in 4K trying so hard to replace Will Smith at the Oscars with their amazing acting skills, of course. So yeah, with that being said, let's dive into this, shall we? Alrighty, let's get this show rolling by checking out what this genius is up to. Oh, what a great idea, who would have thought? First you place your motorcycle gently on the ground not to damage it in case your plan doesn't work out, and then just lay beside it. Not gonna lie, he always got it. He played all of his cards correctly, except one. He didn't make sure he's not being filmed. So that's a fail. Oh, here we have a rich one. Oh, no, that was a cheeky move. Looks like you're overcompensating for something with that wing over there. Let's see here. Oh, how dare they? That was so unprofessional. Honestly, guys, where is the police brutality when you actually need it, you know? Whoa, look at this fool. You failed, buddy, so go back over there, sit down and question your life choices. For real, man. Alright, let's see here. Oh, hello. Alright, that was pretty funny, but we have to move on. There's some brake checking going on here. And that is why you always have to have a dash cam, just in case you come across some of these dingleberries doing these stupid stunts. But anyways, let's see how this one will end. Come on now, power! Whoa, hold on. Oh, come on now, dude, just give up. Take the L and leave. Oh, he faked the move to the right and went to the left. Oh, you see, speed and power is always the answer. Wise words, Jeremy Clarkson, wise words. Whoa. Whee! Oh, this guy is a train wreck. And by the way, this is from my country, unfortunately, so... yeah, not too proud of this guy. Not too proud. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Nice place, by the way. Whoa. Break. Don't let him win. Yes. Take the L and do a walk of shame. And why are you running? Oh, come on, dude. You're ridiculous. On to the next one we go. Oh. Looks like we have another brake checker on our hands. And I don't know what you think, guys, but this is so embarrassing. I mean, really embarrassing. And I only have one advice for this man or a woman.
Stop it. Get some help.
But anyways, we know this is not over yet, so let's see how it will unfold. Now the Merc driver is like, should I cut him off again or brake check him again? Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna cut him off again and brake check him at the same time. This guy is definitely going places, and those places are probably mostly prisons, but yeah, what a way to live a life.
That's some karma right there.
And it looks like karma got him as well. He got a front left puncture. Oh, that was a one last desperate move. But he's just a dingleberry, so let's move on. Seems like everybody here is enjoying life, having a wonderful day, but that guy had some other idea and plans. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna get some money now. This is how you do it. Oh, I'm hit, please help. Oh no. Police, please, come here, I'm hit. Sir, you've been hit by what? A stationary car. Police hangs the phone. Not gonna lie, that was a class acting. 10 out of 10. Whoa, man, whoa, that was a dirty move. I wonder if that red car was part of all of this. It's a little bit suspicious. It's sus. Anyways, moving on to some musicians who found a better way to earn money than to play the guitar, looks like. Oh man, this sucks. I'm really bad at this, and I broke my guitar as well. But as always, play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Let's see here, this could be interesting. This guy here maybe identifies as a car, who knows? Or maybe he's just trying to reach out for the Dashcam guy's car extended warranty, who knows, maybe that's the case. Oh, let's see here. Oh, speed! Oh, this one actually connected. That's not good news. Actually, it is. We got it on video, so it's all good. Wild scammers are always lurking around in the shadows. Here they are, approaching the vehicle. The vehicle has stopped, but that's not gonna stop the scammer, as he rolls over the hood and pretends to be... Damn, man, what the hell is wrong with you, bro? Yeah, just get a life. This was just another case of stupid is, stupid does. Now we are here on some kind of a highway. And here's another rich guy who is trying to do God knows what. Yeah, go ahead, brake check the truck. It will make your Audi looks better. Just try it, do it, make our day. Kod nas bi sad bila ručna dizalica u glavu. Otprilike. This guy here is like, hold on, wait a minute. Have a little bit of patience, please. Let me do my thing, okay? I'm just gonna lay here. I'm gonna lay down here and then I'm gonna place this stick over there and yeah, you can run me over now. Now, I'm good. Let's go, come on. What the hell are you waiting for? Damn, some people are... yeah, amazing. And now we're in a country where the snakes are bigger than sewer pipes. Whoa, dude. That was not cool. Why, bro? And now he's like, oi, mate, look what you did to me car. You don't know how to drive. Look at this mess. And I would like to see their faces when they finally find out about the cameras. That must be embarrassing. But anyhow, let's see here. That guy's like, I'm speed, baby. And any minute now, wait for it. There we go. And another fail. Well, that was a tiny love tap, but still he failed, so that's good in my books and I love it. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you had some fun watching these people embarrassing themselves. I know I did. And also, please leave a like and a comment. Subscribe if you're new around here. And yeah, that's it for today. I love you all. Don't forget to power every day. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.
Got you on camera.